used to be Miami Subs, and then I know Pitbull bought some of the ownership over it, and they've changed it to Miami Grill, and they kind of changed the menu a little bit. It's our first time trying one because it's the first one up here in Central Florida. So we'll let you know how it is.
Yeah, this is what we do.
Hi everybody, we are at the Miami Grill, and look, it's a pink straw! Who has ever had pink straws at restaurants before? I mean, like,
Crazy girl.
This is the pink restaurant. It has pink border up there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it. Look up there. Then there's pink light bulbs. And then there's pink straws. And then there's pink pine trees.
Pine trees? Palm trees. Palm trees.
And then there's a pink menu.
Nice. Okay.
Look at your sandwich.
This is the sub. Fries. Seasoned fries. What else is in there? Napkin?
Coleslaw, I think.
Oh yeah?
This here's what doesn't roll.
Cool. Oh, it came with some coleslaw too. Coleslaw, seasoned fries, and then the sub, which I got a Philly steak.
What is that?
Patties.
Yeah.
So I flipped it. Here you go. And then yours. You can see the steam. I don't know if you can see the steam. Oh, wow. Did you see it?
No.
Look at it. I hope it tastes that good. Here's our crinkly fries. They're different, see?
Yeah, different fries.
That's what I wanted to clarify with her. Oh,
I
well.
can give this Alexis for her dish.
He's getting more. Oh.
All right, so our little review of the Miami Grill here in Kissimmee, Florida. What'd you guys think?
I thought it was really good. I liked it. I had the Philly's cheesesteak and I shared it with the little one and I enjoyed it a lot. The fries were seasoned fries, like thin fries, and those were good too. They weren't amazing, but they were good. And then the key lime pie that we all shared was pretty good. Yeah.
The key lime pie was okay.
Yeah. How about yours? Was
I got
yours okay?
the fish and chips. Before, Miami Subs used to have Arthur Treacher's inside. I don't know if that's still what they do. Is Arthur Treacher's fish? It doesn't say it anywhere, so I'm guessing not. And the fries, I didn't like the fries. The fish and chip fries were different than her seasoned fries. If I were to come back, I would ask for the seasoned fries instead. They were better. But overall, it was okay. It's worth a visit. That's basically about it. So
And I'm totally going to be coming back because it has my favorite colors.
It had your favorite colors.
Yeah, the color's still stuck with the Miami Sub color, the pink and green.
No, it's teal, Daddy.
Oh, teal and pink, okay. Either way, see you soon.
There's teal chairs and there's a teal umbrella.